Four giraffes so tall and bright, stretching high with all its might. Come and count 1 to 10. Let's play then count again. One giraffe standing high, neck so long reaching the sky. Looking left, looking right, smiling big, what a sight. Two giraffes munching leaves, chewing slowly, feel the breeze. Tails go swish, ears go flop, crunch, crunch, chomp, chomp, chomp. Three giraffes run left and right, leaping high, what a sight. Steps so light, hooves go tap, round and round, clap, clap, clap. Four giraffes run left and right, leaping high, what a sight. Steps so light, hooves go tap, round and round, clap, clap, clap. Four giraffes run left and right, leaping high, what a trees so new. Beak out left, hooves go tap, round and round, clap, clap, clap. Four giraffes dance side to side, swinging their necks, oh what a ride. Step and twirl, tails held high, laughing, spinning, oh my, oh my. Six giraffes drinking deep, sipping water, not a peep. Slurp, slurp, what a taste. Wiggling tails, no time to waste. Seven giraffes stretch so tall, reaching high above them all. Up, up, what can they see? A jungle filled with bubbly trees. Eight giraffes taking a rest, snuggled close, feeling the best. Curled up tight, eyes so bright, dreaming sweetly through the night. Nine giraffes walking slow, taking steps to and fro. Left, right, heads held high, marching tall beneath the sky. 10 giraffes waving, time to go, smiling big and moving slow. Counting's fun, let's cheer and play. Now we've counted, hip hooray.